Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make drinks in Toca Boca. First, let's dive into the vibrant world of Toca Boca kitchens. You'll find an amazing array of ingredients, from fresh fruits to various liquids, and even some surprising extras. The key is to experiment and have fun. We'll cover the fundamental techniques for mixing and matching, helping you craft delightful concoctions for your Toca Boca characters. Get ready to unleash your inner barista. To begin your drink-making adventure, you'll need to identify the essential tools. Look for the blender, juicer, and perhaps a coffee maker in your Toca Boca kitchen. Next, stock up on ingredients like apples, oranges, milk, and even some ice cubes. Don't forget the fun part, choosing the perfect cup and adding a decorative straw or a tiny umbrella. These small details truly elevate your drink creations. Let's start with some simple recipes. For a classic fruit juice, just place 2 different fruits into the juicer and watch the magic happen. If you're craving something creamy, try blending milk with a scoop of ice cream or a few chocolate pieces to create a delicious milkshake. For a quick pick-me-up, combine coffee, milk, and a few ice cubes for a refreshing iced coffee. These are great starting points. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to get creative. Try combining unexpected ingredients like a vegetable with a fruit to see what new flavors emerge. Some hidden items in the game can even add special effects to your drinks, so keep an eye out. For a visually stunning drink, try layering different colored liquids in a tall glass. The possibilities are truly endless, so have fun exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.